Hello everyone, welcome back to a new vlog of iMomita Career and Technology. And friends, today I'm going to share with you all a very interesting topic regarding the documentations and the steps for the BC PNP Tech Program. So I hope this video will help you all to understand this steps and processes for the BC PNP Tech Program, and also it will give you a clear picture of the documentations that are required or you might work on to complete the process. What are the steps? How do I complete the steps of the application process? And most importantly, what are the documents that I need to complete this process and submit it successfully? So as many of my friends and viewers have been asking me this common question, and yes, why not? Because I have gone through the same stage where I have faced the same problem, where I didn't find much information on the documentations and the steps that are involved in the BC PNP Tech Program. Yes, this is definitely a concerning question and a point of confusion for many of us, and it was the same for me as well. So today, let's get into my computer where I can share with you all my personal profile to help you guide through the steps that are required in the registration process. And in the following video, I will come up with the list of documentations that are required for completing this process successfully. So first, let's get into the details of the steps for the application or the registration. Click on the link I have shared to register or sign in to the BC PNP website. You will see a login box as well as link to register if you are here for the first time. Once you click register, it will open the registration page. Let's have a quick look at the fields you need to fill up for the registration. You can see some fields are marked as optional and some are required. While you have to fill up the required fields, I also recommend providing some of the optional information too. Let me try to create a profile with some information to give you an idea. However, I will not submit to create a profile as I already have one. Use your registered email ID which you will be using throughout the process for any communication. Use a password combination as per the rule mentioned. Select security questions that are easier for you to remember in case you have to use this to retrieve your lost password. In the personal section, use your last name or surname as the family name. The given name field will be your first name. If you ever had a different name other than your present one, such as your maiden name or name before marriage, then mention that in the other name field. Please fill up the passport information carefully as this is a record they will always refer to. Also ensure that you have a valid passport and not expiring soon. Provide a primary contact number, and if you are filing from outside of Canada, then don't forget to mention the country code. Such as for India, the country code is 91. And if you don't know your country phone code, then take help from Google. In your residential information, provide your street name and country in the respective fields. If you are already residing in Canada on a temporary visa, then provide your Canadian address. Now I will not submit to register as I already have the account. I'm going to log in with my username and password. Once you logged in, you will see the dashboard. Since we already have our past BC PNP application, it is appearing here. Click the Start a New Case to initiate a new case. In the next page, it will ask you to select whether you will file for Skills Immigration or Entrepreneur. We will select Skills Immigration. In the Skills Immigration section, you need to select the appropriate category. If you have an Express Entry profile, then go for the Express Entry related section. For us, we needed to submit the PR, so we created an Express Entry profile earlier. Hence, we selected Express Entry BC Skilled Worker, that is EEBC. Click on Start to initiate the case. In the next page, it will ask you to confirm your profile information, and in case you have a designated IRCC approved immigration attorney or any representative, then his or her profile information will also be displayed here. This is a dummy or test case that I just created to show you as an example. As you see at this point, you will see your score to be 0 since you just initiated a new case. As the next step, you have to provide the related information on each of the categories to see the points and get your total score. I'll stop at this point as I already have my completed case. I will log in to show you how many points we got. We provided a language test, that is IELTS, and an education evaluation report. If you have a foreign degree and want to get additional points, you can do an education evaluation credential. As you see, we got 18 points for language tests and 15 points for education evaluation. So that added additional 33 points into our total score. Also, we already had a job offer while in India from a well-known Vancouver-based IT company. So we got another 35 points for the job offer and 37 points for the required salary slab. For a job offer with a salary of 100K and above, you get 50 points. And from 95K to 97,499K, you will get 37 points. So friends, I will advise you to do a good negotiation on the salary if you have an offer, which is definitely a trick that we missed in our case. And you have to deal this intelligently. I will share the link to get an idea of how many points you can get for the BC PNP Tech Program. Once your total point is equal or above the cutoff point for the upcoming draw as set by the BC PNP program, your application will be selected and you will receive an invitation to apply. Just as in our case, the cutoff point was around 102 and our total score was 120, so we got selected. And yes friends, the BC PNP Tech program that I was eligible for is the EEBC, that is the BC PNP Tech Program Express Entry for Skilled Workers. Thank you to all those who are already subscribed to my channel, and if you aren't subscribed yet, please do go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon button so that you get notified when I upload a new content. If you find today's video to be little helpful, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, as I have been always telling that every comment means a lot to me. So please do not forget to leave me a comment. And yes, if you want me to make content on any specific topic, please don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment box, and I promise I will be back soon with your requested video.